Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to forward an email in Yahoo. So first of all, obviously you want to be logged into your Yahoo Mail account, and as you can see I'm already logged in. So then you just want to click on the name on the email that you want to forward. So let's say I want to forward maybe this one, and here this option below the email is called forwarding. So let's click forward, and now you can forward the specific email to another recipient. So let's say I want to, and here in the to section you just type the email address, and this, just Yahoo is going to place some contacts right here. But you don't need to have a saved contact about the email, you just need to type the whole email. In that case, I'm going to choose a contact because this is easier for me, and then after all I just click send, and this is it. So thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!